Here's how much I earned in my first month of doing UGC, which was July. I know everyone's dying to know. People love to talk about the numbers. Also, don't mind me. It's a stay in your pajamas until dinner time kind of day for me. I'm just chilling in my heart pajamas. It's all good. First, I should mention I did have another opportunity towards the end of June that I got through Upwork, which ended up falling through. That was going to pay me $80 for one video, but unfortunately it didn't work out because the product was a pet product. It was a nail grinder for your dog's nails to like trim them. And both my dog and my boyfriend's dog unfortunately hated it, were really scared of it, wouldn't let it anywhere near their paws, so I wasn't able to get any good shots. But the client was super understanding, like I offered to do product shots, I offered to send the product back, and they were like, no, it's fine, like we appreciate that you tried, but we understand it just like wasn't gonna work. But now onto the deals that did work out. I had one brand reach out to me for 2 videos at $100 each, so $200 in total. They are a brand that does laser engraved pet portraits on jewelry like the necklace that I'm wearing right now, and I made 2 videos for them, one with this necklace and one with a keychain that I gave to my boyfriend which has his dog on it. Then I got another $100 from another client who wanted a video of a bodysuit. I just had to like put on the bodysuit and film myself kind of moving in it, showing how it fits and everything. And I got both of these jobs through Fiverr, by the way. So in the beginning of July, I posted 2 new gigs on Fiverr. One was for UGC videos, and one was basically like, I will be your female model for your brand or product, because a lot of brands are looking for pictures of just like, you holding up their product or showing you using it or wearing their clothes or whatever it is. So the rest of the money came from something that isn't exactly UGC actually, but someone saw that I was offering modeling services and they needed a model to basically, they're building kind of a software that recognizes injury based on the way that the body moves from a distance. So it can like see if you're limping or stuff like that. And they just needed models to pose on camera and like move their limbs in different ways so that the program can learn what, like normal human body movements look like, which is kind of interesting. This was a repeat buyer who came back to me again and again. Let me go back into the Fiverr app and try to add up all the orders they placed. $30, $40, $50, $69. I think that included a tip. And that was it. So in total for modeling for this motion capture project, I earned $189. So in total from my UGC work and modeling work in my first month of doing UGC, I earned $489, which is pretty close to $500, which is kind of awesome. I do only get to keep 80% of that because Fiverr takes a 20% cut, but still, I am pretty happy with how my first month went. That is like almost $500 that or like let's say $400 after Fiverr's cut that I would not have earned if I hadn't put myself out there as a model and UGC creator and hadn't just like given it a go and tried and see how it went. I'm so excited to see how August is going to go. I already have one order from a client that is done and dusted. It was like 30 minutes of work for $120. It went super smoothly and amazingly. I have some other clients who are interested in my photography work, so hopefully that'll come through and work out. But yeah, that's how much I made.